Learning made fun with wooden words play only from Howies. Today I'm super excited to share you one of the best learning toy for toddler and preschoolers, the Howies wooden letter words toy. So guys, this best-selling Montessori-style toy turns learning into a game. Kids pick a card, match the letter and build the words. Simple, fun and so engaging. It helps develop strong phonic skills, improve spellings, boost memories and build a solid language foundation all through hand-on play. Howies uses organic child shape wood with smooth edges so your little ones can learn safely while having fun. Whether your child is just starting letter recognition or ready to build words, this toy grows with them. So if you want to screen-free learning and hours for productive play, the Howies wooden letter words toy is a must-have. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, then share link is in description box. Learning made fun with Howies, link is in description. Till then, bye, take care, thank you for watching my video.